This is the Martini Mortgage Podcast with Kevin Martini.
Hello and welcome to the 35th episode of the Martini Mortgage Podcast. My name is Kevin Martini and I will be your host. And on this episode, we are going to talk about the 20% myth. You know, there's many misconceptions about buying a home that are believed to be true. I mean, you really believe it to be true. However, let's take a look at the two of the more common ones that might be holding you back from buying a home today or in the near future. Now, I have found that potential home buyers often overestimate the down payment needed to qualify for a home loan. I'm not referring to just first-time home buyers are in this club. I believe that I'm referring to home buyers that are repeat home buyers as well. Many are confused about what is required to put down to qualify for a home mortgage loan in today's housing market. You know, I have found that potential home buyers think they need to put more money down to purchase a home than they actually need. And this is preventing them from taking action and taking advantage of the current epic mortgage rates and the current inventory that is available. The Urban Institute recently released a report called Barriers to Accessing Home Ownership. In the report, it shared that 68% of renters cited that saving for the down payment was an obstacle for home ownership. Oh my gosh. That report also revealed that 39% of renters believe that more than 20% is needed for down payment. While many believe that they need at least 20% down, well, 39% of renters believe that they need 20% down. No stats are on how many repeat home buyers believe that. But the reality, they do not realize that there are programs available which will put down as little as 3% with the Martini Mortgage Group at Benchmark Mortgage. In addition, the Martini Mortgage Group at Benchmark Mortgage offers no down payment loans too. Now, those programs are not exclusively for first-time home buyers. Those low and no down payment programs are available for repeat home buyers too. Let me say it again. You do not need to put 20% down to secure a mortgage today. In fact, according to the National Association of Realtors, 74% of first-time home buyers put less than 20% down. In fact, 61% of first-time home buyers put 6% or less down. Friends, check this out. You can save for down payment faster than you think. What if you wanted to take advantage of a 3% down program with the Martini Mortgage Group? How long will it take for you to save 3%? Obviously, it would depend on where you live, your income, your expenses, and the home that you want to buy. Do not fret. I am a mortgage geek, and I am also a math nerd. I looked at the data from the United States Census Bureau and Zillow to determine how long it would take a first-time home buyer to save enough money for a down payment. I looked at percentage of income spent renting, median-priced homes, and average income. The Martini Mortgage Group is in Raleigh, North Carolina. So in North Carolina, it would take under 18 months to save for a 3% down payment. Whether you have just started to save for a down payment or you've been saving for years, you may be closer to your dream home than you think. Let's meet up so we can help evaluate the ability to buy sooner than later. Yes, I am not just a podcaster. I'm a mortgage strategist that helps families create wealth with real estate. Oh, by the way, tax season is knocking on the door soon, and using the refund that you receive to jumpstart your down payment savings might be an option. Did you know, according to the Internal Revenue Service, in 2017, the estimated average refund was $2,840. The average for a North Carolinian was $2,566. So if you started your down payment statement with your tax refund check, that would mean about you are, halfway there to where you need to be. So that 18 months I talked about earlier would only be 9 months. Now I know saving for a down payment can seem like a daunting task, but the more you know about what's required, the more prepared you can be to make the best decision for you and your family. I know this podcast is called the 20% myth, but I feel obligated to share at a high level one more misconception. Similar to the myth surrounding down payment requirements, many either don't know or are misinformed what FICO score is necessary to qualify for a home loan. Many believe that a 780 or higher credit score is needed to secure a mortgage. That is not the case. Over 50% of approved mortgages have a credit score in the range of 600 to 749. If you are a prospective buyer who's ready and willing to act sooner than later, but you're not sure you're able, let's meet so I can help you understand your true options that are available today. Call the Martini Mortgage Group at Benchmark Mortgage, 919-238-4934. The 20% myth is busted. For more information on things to consider when buying a home, check out my Winter 2019 Home Buyer Guide. It's free. However, the information is priceless. I go over what you need to know before you buy. It talks about what's happening in the housing market and what to expect when you're buying a home. To access this killer home buyer guide, simply visit www.martinibuyerguide.com. With an open heart, I truly feel this home buyer guide simply and effectively communicates the current market opportunity. Again, you can get a free copy by going to www.martinibuyerguide.com. Thank you for tuning into the 35th episode of the Martini Mortgage Podcast, and thank you for sharing and leaving a review.
The Martini Mortgage Group makes real estate dreams a reality with trusted advice in a stress-free environment with great rates and on-time closings while providing a world-class experience. If you or someone you know has questions about the current mortgage rates or the current mortgage programs, please reach out to the Martini Mortgage Group at 919-238-4934. The information contained in this podcast presentation is for general product information purposes only. Arklatex Financial Services, LLC, NMLS number 2143, doing business as Benchmark Mortgage, makes no representations or warranties of any kind expressed or implied about the completeness, reliability, suitability, or availability with respect to the information, products, or services. All loans subject to borrower qualifying. Other restrictions may apply. Branch Manager Kevin Martini, NMLS number 143962. Branch located at 5650 Six Forks Road, Suite 101, Raleigh, North Carolina, 27609. Contact the branch by calling 919-238-4934. Equal housing opportunity.